Hello and welcome to Section 7, Completing the Project. In the previous section, we learned how to use UI Navigation Controller and to navigate around our application. In this section, we're going to look at how we can complete our project by adding app icons into it, and then by creating the Dream Seeker launch screen. So now we've completed the code in our project, we want to add in the app icons to make it look really good. So in this video, we're going to have a look at how we use Xcode assets with the app icons. Then we're going to add them in, and we're going to take a quick look at some of the Apple requirements around creating icons. So now that we're moving into the final part of our project, we want to give our application an icon. As you can see here, I'm in the Assets folder, the same place where we put our placeholder icon in the beginning. And I've selected App Icon. When I do this, I can see that I have a number of different options in here. XE Assets helpfully provides you with the details around which icons go for which area. So I can see that I have items for iPhone in the Spotlight and Settings, iPhone Spotlight, iPhone App, and then across on the iPad Settings, iPad Spotlight, and iPad App, all across the various different operating system versions. What this also provides is the point size that's required for these icons, and the retina value. What we need to do as developers is to understand that when I get the point size and the retina value, this point size is multiplied by the retina value to give me the size of image that I need for this file. In this folder here, I've created a series of images which I'm going to use for my icon for Dream Seeker. I've created sizes that go from 1024 all the way down to 29 pixels. I'm only going to be using the files that go from 180 pixels down to 29 pixels in this project. I can do this by selecting one of these files and then dragging it across onto the area where it needs to be. As you can see, when I do this, it then puts the image icon where I want it to be. I'm now going to do this for all of the icons. So now I have all of my icons in place. And whenever I run the application and then hide it in the background, I can see that I now have my icon in place. Let's go back to the project quickly. It's important to note that I've filled the entire square with color. Apple requires that you don't have any transparency on any of your icons. Doing this will actually cause your application to be rejected from the App Store. When you add these app icons in, Apple will automatically put the right corner radius on it for you. And that's it. We're all set. We've got our icon ready to go. In the next video, we're going to create a launch screen for our Dream Seeker application.